We are at the haven, the den, the real place of Lions Club of Kolkata Kosba. It has been formally chartered on 15th April, the Bengali New Year. The club number has been ascertained as 145838. It is of course under District 322B1, and it is my honor, my pleasure that I have been ascertained the role of Extension Chairperson of Lions Club of Kolkata Kosba. And all this has been possible for only this gentleman, Shubhashish Bose sir. He is of course past president of Rotary Club of Kosba, and he is an eminent CS. Shubhashish sir, if you can kindly tell about your journey as a CS and then as a Rotarian and then now as a Lions. Please sir.
Frankly speaking, I have started my career as a company secretary in 1992 and joined the Ministry of Defence. Then in 2005, I left the job and started practicing as a company secretary. From then onwards, from 2005 till date, I am a practicing company secretary. I have started my Rotary International in the year 1995 in July, and till date I am a Rotarian. I have joined also as a Lions, and my club, that is Kolkata Kosba, has been inaugurated on Poila Boishak, that is of 15th of April 2021.
And what a wonderful initiation it was. We had 2 PIDs, past international directors. We have 7 senior Lions leaders. We have our honorable DG, Lekha Sharma madam, directly inaugurating your club, Lions Club of Kolkata Kosba. We have also DG-elect Ratan Duggar ji with us. It was a wonderful induction ceremony, and of course it was graced by 10 of your members, very devoted members of Lions Club of Kolkata Kosba. Sir, you have some wonderful projects like we are seeing here. It's a permanent project, library project, because of course education is a core focus in our Lionism, and we are also seeing another permanent club project, vocational training center. Sir, if you can kindly say about these projects.
Regarding the vocational, we have 2 rooms separated. One we are giving for the basic computer training, and another we are giving for the spoken English. We are giving to the downtrodden girls only. And we have actually not less than 5,000 books in this club. So we have started as a public library so that the public can avail the books from our club.
This is a small section of the library which Shubhashish sir was referring to, and this is the award which we feel proud, we feel pleased to announce, to tell people that Shubhashish sir was awarded Lions Club of Kolkata Magnets Excellence Award for Public Awareness Program. We now go to Shubhashish sir to learn more about this wonderful program which he has been conducting for, sir, how many years? This Public Investor Awareness Program?
This is for 10 years. Last 10 years we are doing.
Okay. Sir, if you can kindly brief about this program.
We all know that lakhs and lakhs of peoples are being they have been doomed by different companies, and they have lost their all investments. So we as a professionals and also as a Rotarian, we invited all the institutes and the regulators to speak to the general public that where to invest and what to invest. They should not go to this type of Ponzi scheme, and they should invest their money to bank, post office, and only to the mutual funds and shares if possible. So these are being the main criteria of our investor awareness.
And what an investor awareness program he is holding. He has the support of the top-notch corporate sectors, the government sector people, and this is, I'm telling again, I'm pronouncing again the word, pride and pleasure of our Lions District. Lions Club of Kolkata Kosba has joined with 20 very energetic, very enthusiastic and very experienced members who know what social welfare is, what cultural welfare is, and this is the way they have started. They have started with a bang. They are doing lots of projects including tree plantation on, I think, 14th you did,
no,
right?
On 15th.
On 15th only, on Poila Boishak.
Yes.
And as I have remarked in the district board, as you sow, so shall you reap. They are reaping the rewards of their experience. They are reaping the rewards of their wonderful work. We are at the den of Lions Club of Kolkata Kosba. It's a wonderful setting. This is the library, another part of the library Shubhashish sir was referring to. a very well decorated room, and of course in the other room we have the computer center. We have the computer center. We have this library also, and now we will be showcasing the computer center, the vocational training center. These are the sections of toys, of different books. We now go to the computer training center, the vocational training center. স্যার এখানে কারা আসে আর কারা এখানে পড়াশোনা করে বা কিছু কি ট্রেনিং নেয় স্যার?
এখানে যারা বস্তিতে থাকে তারা এখানে আসে, তারা এখানে এসে কম্পিউটারটা প্র্যাকটিস করে।
অ্যাবসলিউটলি। আর এগুলো কিন্তু রানিং প্রজেক্ট, যেটা নাকি শুভাশিস স্যার হ্যাজ কনভার্টেড টু লাইনিস্টিক প্রজেক্টস। ইটস এ ভেরি ওয়ান্ডারফুল আইডিয়া। আর এটা মনে হয় স্যার 10 ইয়ার্স ধরে চলছে আপনার?
একদম একদম।
It's a wonderful feeling that Lions Club of Kolkata Koshba started with a bang, and what sort of projects they're doing. Permanent club project, vocational training, basic computer and spoken English. We thank Shubhashis sir again, and it is my pride and pleasure to announce that Shubhashis sir has chosen Lions Club of Kolkata Magnets as the sponsor club, and myself, Ashish Vashak, the charter president of Lions Club of Kolkata Magnets, is the extension chairperson of Lions Club of Kolkata Koshba. And what a club we have formed. We are very proud, we are very happy, we are elated at this introduction of a wonderful, wonderful club in District 322B1, Lions International.
আপনিও যদি আপনার প্রতিভার বিকাশের সুযোগ চান তবে অবশ্যই যোগাযোগ করুন আমাদের এই ইমেল আইডিতে hellokolkata1@gmail.com এবং ফোন নম্বরে যোগাযোগ করুন 9339228087 নম্বরে। আমরা আপনাকে তুলে ধরবো হ্যালো কলকাতার পর্দায়।